my name is Nate Wisen, and this is my final project. So I wanted to demonstrate a serverless AI-powered pipeline using Amazon Bedrock. The reason behind this is, in consulting, I've seen where teams often deal with large amounts of unstructured text, and manually reviewing those documents is slow and inefficient. So I wanted to build something that could ingest documents in real time, summarize or analyze them automatically, and then store both the results and the metadata in a scalable way using only serviceless services. So let's take a look at how this works from a high level. So here's the flow, as you can see where my cursor is pointing. A user uploads a document, it hits a S3 static website, that then gets funneled to an S3 upload bucket, which hits a Lambda function, which then hits our AI backend support, which in this case is Claude 3 Haiku, and there it hits an S3 processor folder where it's actually processed. Here's the project overview. As you can assume, a lot of steps went into this, and there was a lot of technology supporting this. Everything from Amazon DynamoDB to Claude 3 Haiku, which again was the AI backend, and all these different functions and tools that I had to incorporate into the system to make sure it functioned as a whole and worked together. Some of the challenges faced, as you can imagine, tying all this technology together, was getting the Amazon Bedrock and Claude 3 to work correctly. Claude 3 only supports the Messages API, not the older prompt-based format. And it also requires a specific Bedrock API version and an interface profile. The error messages I encountered were vague, so debugging took several hours, closer to 7 hours actually to debug this. I ran into a lot of IAM permission issues. So when I finally got this running and worked through all these system issues, as you'll see flashing on my screen as I move through here, it was awesome to get to the end and actually get a testable pipeline that in the end worked out very well and created a system that was able to ingest these documents, pull out the relevant text, all with the serverless design. So in the end, when the testing happened, I was able to verify this worked. I was able to upload a document, watch through the different systems that AWS has in place to verify it was actually working. And in the end, the serverless AI-powered pipeline using Amazon Bedrock was a success. So thank you for taking this time to hang out with me.